How to change speed in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. So this is the place where you can find different tools and even create a new project. Here on the left top, simply tap on new project. Now select the video or images that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one and hit on next. So basically we're in this editing platform. This is the place where you can find different tools and edit the video. So simply tap on the clip that you want to edit. Here on the bottom there's a tool called adjust speed. Tap on adjust speed and select the speed that you want to adjust. So here you can select and customize the way you want. At last, here on the right bottom, tap on the stick button and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.